Welcome to Crypto Gems. My name's Teddy, and today we're going to be talking about Ethernity News, the James Dean and Marilyn Munroe NFT collections, and the Ethernity Road Map. Let's get started. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for information and educational purposes only. Let's go. Okay, James Dean, the rebel without a cause, the heartthrob from Hollywood's golden era. On December 16th, Ethernity released the James Dean NFT collection in memory of one of the greatest Hollywood stars. Look at this digital statue. Looks amazing. Check out this NFT collection at Ethernity.io. I'll leave the link in the description. Next up, we got the Marilyn Munroe NFT collection from Ethernity. Wow, looks super cool. Check out the artwork. Doesn't that look amazing? Marilyn Munroe, guys, some consider her to be the megalomaniacal queen of Hollywood. I'll leave a link to this awesome NFT collection in the description. Now let's talk a little bit about the Ethernity Road Map. Okay, as you can see here, there's an entire roadmap for all of 2022. As we can see here, Q1 2022, we have the Ethernity V2 website upgrade, pre-register for Metaverse, Ethernity packs, mobile app launch, PFP avatar project launch, direct staking implementation, NFT lending, first white label partnership, cross-chain minting for NFTs, mystery boxes reveal and launch Ethernity merch store, major store event model upgrade, and the Eternal Labs launch. Lots of things, guys. Lots of things planned. Moving on to Q2 2022, we got the launch of iCandy.io, multi-chain interoperability with low gas fees for farming, staking, and lending. Development of P2E game. Launch virtual world and members club metaverse. PFP avatar project phase 2. Social marketplace using reward badges, stats, and leaderboards. Second white label partnership, Ethereal World 1, and more CEX listings for ERN. Big plans, baby, big plans. Moving on to Q3 2022, we got the social and fan tokens partnerships reveal, launch Fanable.io, AR integration on mobile app, trustless decentralized NFT trading marketplace, artist submission, community voting for ERN holders to connect them with notable figures for collaborative work, private auctions exclusively for Stone and ERN holders across all three platforms, and more CEX listings for ERN. Crazy, guys. All right, let's keep going. So Q4 2022. Okay, we start to see some big moves with real-world auction sites and gallery location. Real-world experiences claim page via ticketing and merchandise, NFT DAO Vault Index, NFT peer-to-peer trading, the launch of the mobile app for Fanable.io, PFP avatar project 3D model claim, third white label partnership, more CEX listings for ERN, airdrop a portion of the new P2E gaming token to all ERN holders, and of course, the launch of the ethereal metaverse to utilize your NFTs and avatars. Big plans, baby. Big plans. Well, there you have it, guys. Ethernity definitely has some big things popping with the James Dean NFT collection, the Marilyn Munroe NFT collection, and a 2022 roadmap that's nothing short of spectacular. I'll be leaving all the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments and questions. Subscribe to our Crypto Gems channel so you can get more great content like this that'll help you on your crypto journey. That's all for now. Thanks, guys.